Today we are making a Pyaj Saag, which is traditional way and a tribal way of cooking, which is nothing but a green onion. I have taken a 400 gram freshly from our garden. I have washed it and kept the green part separately and the bulb separately. With a small knife, I just wanted to cut it, give like this. Cut it into 4. Now I'm going to just chop it. You don't need to give so precisely the same size. Just give a rough chop like this. Cut all of them. So same way we are going to cut the leaf as well. So for this recipe, we have the green onion chopped already and the bulb, and also I have taken a small potato and just cut it lengthwise. And I'm here taking 100 grams of vadi, which is made of black gram urad dal, and with the winter melon. We just grind all of them and add some cumin and some seasoning, and just we make a small dumpling and dry out on the sunlight. So this is called vadi, which I said mentioned earlier one of my video also. This is, if you don't have this, it is very much available in India, and if you don't have this nowadays everywhere the Punjabi vadi is available, you can use instead of that. So here again I am using the earthen pot since it is a traditional way of cooking. Adding some mustard oil. If you like some other oil, you can add some other oil too. Let the oil get hot. So the oil is hot. Let's fry the vadi. Just a shallow fry till they just get a nice color. The vadi is almost brown. Nice golden color. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, and 5 garlic clove. Just give a quick saute. Let the garlic infuse its flavor and oil. Now I'm adding 3 red chili. Give a quick saute. Now add the potato. Give a quick mix. At the same time add the onion bulb. And let's give a quick mix to it. I'm adding half teaspoon of turmeric and half teaspoon of chili powder. Give quick mix to it, and let's cover and cook for 5 minutes. Almost 5 minutes. Let's check it. Looks like the potato is getting softened. At this stage we are just going to add 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Give a quick mix and let's cover and cook for another 3 minutes. So let's check it after 3 minutes. Let's check how the potato is doing. Yes, they are all softened. So now at this point of time, I'm going to add that onion green, and along with that, I'm going to add some chopped tomato and vadi, which I have already broken after frying. And let's give a quick mix. Cover and cook for another 5 minutes, but at medium low temperature. Let's check it up. Already 5 minutes is done. Wow, it looks so delicious, and Onion is softened. Even the tomato is softened. I'm so excited. This is from the garden, fresh and very much organic. So onion and traditional made vadi, tomato from garden. So I'm just going to add a little bit of salt to it. So check your seasoning before you add. And let's cook it a little bit on a high flame for 2 minutes. So after cooking for 2 minutes on a high flame, the moisture is a little bit reduced, and this is very much perfectly done. I'm just taking out from the heat. And guys, this is the way I'm going to serve it. You know, it's very, very delicious. I really feel I'm missing home actually when I see this kind of traditional food. So this is the way I'm going to serve it, and this is the way our ancestors they used to eat and they used to prepare.